Hey guys, Josh here. Yesterday I told you guys I'd make another video about my Investor Crate subscription service box that I get every month, and today I finally got my $250 gold crate in earlier than I expected. I anticipated a Saturday delivery, but they showed up today, and today's Thursday. So without further ado, we're going to open up a $250 Investor Crate box and see what we get. You know, I kind of enjoy opening up these Investor Crate boxes for you guys because when I open these boxes up, it's the first time I am seeing these boxes, and it's the first time that you're seeing it as well. So the first thing we got was what appears to be a, what is it, a half gram of gold. 1/2 gram gold, pure. The second thing we got was a Valcambi 1 gram fine gold. The next one we got coming to us is another Valcambi 1 gram fine gold bar. And again, with another 1 gram fine gold Valcambi Swiss fractional gold 1 gram bar. I also see appears to be a 1/10 troy ounce Incas Indian, like we got yesterday in my silver unboxing. So this will eventually I'll have enough for an ounce. It came with two. I guess I dropped it. It came with two 1/10 ounce silver Incas Indian rounds. I do like the Incas Indian rounds. You guys know those are my favorite rounds to get. And it also came with a. It also came with a full. Correction. Half troy ounce, a 1/2 troy sunshine minting round. I told you guys the subscription boxes for Investor Crate, depending on what level you get the subscription service at, you will get silver to make up the balance. Okay, so I got 3 and, like I said, 1/2 gram, 3.5 grams of gold. That is a 1/2 ounce here and 2/10 of an ounce here. So that's almost 3/4 of an ounce of silver. And this was the $250 Investor Crate gold box that you would normally get each month. I did purchase the one-time gold box, but it's the same exact one you'd get every month. So if this is something you guys are thinking about doing, maybe doing a $250 one, this is something you should reasonably expect for $250. About 3.5 grams of gold and maybe some balance in silver. All in all, I do recommend Investor Crate. I do like their options that they have, and it's always good to diversify from silver and gold in your silver and gold stacks. One other thing I want to talk to you guys today about is another coin that I got in the mail. You guys know I collect all kinds of graded coins now. I got a 1885 MS64 Morgan, and I just needed to add it to the stack only because I didn't have an 1885. I'm trying to get a year set together before I get a like a really high graded set, or a PDS set or PDO, whatever it is. I just want to make sure I have all the years together before I start piecing them together. But yeah, guys, big shout out to Investor Crate for fulfilling these boxes in a timely fashion, even though the coronavirus was completely wreaking havoc on their supply chain, just like everybody else's supply chain. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe my video. And you'll see more monthly subscription boxes. And if you guys want to see a particular subscription box with a $250 amount, let me know down in the description below. I will go ahead and I will swap it out. If you want to see a big bar crate 1 month, I will do it. I will do it immediately. If I get it, like anybody that says anything about, man, I really want to know what's in the big bar crate. Boom, done. I'll have a video up next month with it on there. So just let me know, and like I said, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, ding, and I'll catch you guys later. Josh Silver out.